Hey, what's up, Gunpla beginners? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I got here my Stedi brushes. So these are brushes to remove dust in your collection. So I got here three kinds of brush. I got here this large brush with this very soft bristles here, and we got here the medium brush or the smaller version for this large brush here. Also, it has this kind of soft bristles. And finally, I got the small one here with a different brush color, which is white. And this is a bit hard here. It's not that soft compared with the other two. So how do we use this kind of brush to remove dust in your model kit? So the big one here is used for model kits that has this large surfaces. So when you say large surfaces, it doesn't have so much complex design where the surface are all smooth, something like that. So you better use this one. So how to brush? Just stroke nicely, not so hard, not so light. So just to make all dust wipe off. So there, just avoid brushing so much on the decals because you might scratch the decals as well, especially the dry transfers, just like that. Okay, so very easy to clean because this has a very large surface. Okay, so next we go with the small brush here. So this small brush, you can actually use both of them on kits that has surfaces that are complex, semi-complex I mean. So there you can also use this large brush, but if you like a finer clean, you can use this one, so you can reach all those crevices or spaces that might be harder to reach for the large brush. So just like that. Okay, so this is how we use it. Okay, so how about the small brush? So the small brush is used for model kits that has so many complex spaces, complex parts that these two cannot reach. So for example, we got here the Knight of Gold. You can also use this large brush for brushing all the large surfaces, or can use this also to brush the crevices. But this one here can be used for the deeper crevices, just like this one, or the inner parts here. So there, you can really reach those spaces that cannot be reached by the two brushes. Okay, so just be careful because you might also apply unnecessary force for those joints that may break it if you are so strong in stroking those brush. Okay, just like that. So we got here multi-surface model kit. So there, you can use this large brush first for those large surface. Then you can also choose between this medium and the small one. So for me, I will immediately shift for the small one to reach those crevices, this deep grooves, deep crevice like that, especially here on the waist, those parts on the joints there. Okay, for the nails, for the guns like that, those deep spaces. Okay. Just like that. So a very easy guide for those who love collecting model kits but don't have time to clean their model kits for against dust. So you need to buy this kind of brush. So I am not recommending or I'm not endorsing the Stedi brush here, but if you can buy this kind of brush, this is very nice. I like the quality, I like the appearance, but you can buy different kind of brush. So for me, buy three kinds: the large, the medium, and the smaller one. Okay, this Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying, clean your model kits, you maggots. Kirks, anong ginagawa mo dyan, Kirks? Kirks. Liga dito, Kirks. Pasyal tayo, Kirks. Labas. Kasama ka ba? Ano namang kasama, Kirks eh.